Breaking news, Apple fans, get ready for a surprise. The M4 MacBook Air is coming soon, and it's packed with significant upgrades. The upcoming MacBook Air, powered by the new M4 chip, is expected to bring significant improvements in performance, battery life, and thermal efficiency, solidifying its place as a leading ultrabook in the market. The M4 chip, rumored to be a more powerful and energy-efficient iteration of Apple's already impressive Silicon, will likely enhance the MacBook Air's capabilities, making it faster and more responsive, especially in handling demanding tasks and multitasking. Users can anticipate longer battery life, which has been a strong point of the MacBook Air, further extending its usability throughout the day without needing frequent recharges. Additionally, the improved thermal efficiency means the device will manage heat better, potentially leading to quieter operation and less need for active cooling, which could also contribute to a thinner or lighter design. Despite these internal upgrades, the M4 MacBook Air is not expected to undergo a major external redesign. The design is likely to retain the familiar slim, lightweight profile that has made the MacBook Air a favorite among students, professionals, and travelers alike. This continuity in design could be seen as a strategic move by Apple to maintain brand recognition and consumer trust, ensuring that while the internals continue to evolve, the sleek and minimalist aesthetic that defines the MacBook Air remains consistent. The decision not to alter the design may also reflect Apple's confidence in the current form factor, which has been praised for its portability and build quality. Overall, the M4 MacBook Air is shaping up to be a refinement of an already well-received product, offering substantial performance and efficiency gains without deviating from the design formula that has contributed to its success. Design. The design of the M4 MacBook Air is expected to follow the same path that Apple has established with previous models, offering a design that is both sleek and robust without any significant changes. Apple appears to be taking a conservative approach, choosing not to deviate from the design elements that have made the MacBook Air so popular. This means we can expect the familiar thin and lightweight profile, constructed from durable materials that ensure the device is both aesthetically pleasing and resilient. The minimalist design, characterized by smooth edges and a slim form factor, is likely to be maintained, reinforcing the MacBook Air's reputation as a stylish yet practical device. While some might hope for a fresh look or new design innovations, it seems Apple is opting to focus on refining the internal components rather than overhauling the exterior. This approach suggests that Apple is confident in the MacBook Air's current design, believing that it continues to meet the needs of consumers who value portability, durability, and elegance in their laptops. By sticking with a proven design, Apple is likely aiming to offer a device that feels familiar yet powerful, ensuring that users can enjoy a reliable experience without the uncertainty that often comes with more radical design changes. The choice to maintain the established design could also indicate that Apple is prioritizing consistency across its product line, allowing users to upgrade to the latest technology without having to adjust to a new look and feel. Overall, the design of the M4 MacBook Air is expected to be a testament to Apple's philosophy of refinement over revolution, delivering a product that builds on the success of its predecessors while subtly enhancing what already works. Display. Unfortunately, OLED fans will have to wait a bit longer. The M4 MacBook Air will likely stick with an LED display, with no upgrade to OLED expected until at least 2027. Performance. But here's where things get exciting. The M4 chip is expected to bring significant performance improvements, with two versions available, a 9-core CPU and a 10-core CPU. This means faster processing, better multitasking, and an overall smoother user experience. Thermal efficiency. And the best part? The M4 chip is more thermally efficient, meaning the MacBook Air should run cooler. No more overheating worries. Release date and pricing. So when can you get your hands on the M4 MacBook Air? Expect a release around March 2025. Although this could be delayed to June 2025. Pricing starts at $1,199 for the base model, with a 13.6-inch LED Retina display, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage. Battery life, and the cherry on top, the M4 MacBook Air is expected to have a slightly longer battery life than previous models, with up to 19 hours of battery life on a single charge. Thanks for watching.